Hey Stampers, Gaynor again, and I'm coming back with some more Happy Mail, and we've had some more cards sent. This is of the beautiful Gloria Jordan. Again, she sent absolutely stunning. Look at these butterflies, absolutely gorgeous. Love them. Right, I thought it was sealed. I haven't even looked inside yet. Oh my gosh, she does the beautifulest tea bag cards ever. Absolutely stunning. Thank you for this, my darling. Let me just check. Yeah, I'll have to fold it right across. Hi Gaynor, sent 25 cards for the challenge. There is something for you. Had two of each. Bought by mistake. Hope you like. Love from Gloria Jordan. Oh my gosh, she is so sweet. And look what she's bought. Absolutely stunning. They're from Crafter's Companion. Oops. Stuck to the bag. Look at this. It's a beautiful stamp set. So proud of you. Happy birthday. Why you fit in when you were born to stand out. I've never wanted to buy the flamingo stamps, but I love them. And every time I see them, I think, oh, would I use it? But yeah, I will now. I've got one. Absolutely stunning. And it says here, crafterscompanion.co.uk. So this is the stamp set, and it's got a gorgeous peacock. Beautiful flowers. It's a gorgeous leaf. Absolutely stunning. And look at this embossing folder. How beautiful would that be with that beautiful peacock in the centre? Or that gorgeous little flamingo. Or the flower even. Just beautiful. Thank you so much for these, my darling. That is really nice of you. Thank you so much. And your card. Oh, I love these cards. You do these to perfection. They're always perfect. Absolutely perfect. Love it. And you don't have to keep sending me your address, my darling. I have it in my address book. I have it in the competition book. But and I know you put it on the envelope just in case it gets returned to me. So I have popped you in the book, Gloria, my darling, and you sent 25 cards. So you now entries 93, 94, 95, 96 and 97. And we've got 645 cards. I put 44. I've added about another 6 cards myself. So I would say now that we've got 650 cards. Because each night I do 2 cards. And for the past 3 nights I've done them. And I've popped them in the bag as well. So we've got about 650 cards already. So let's get to looking at Gloria's beautiful cards. Again, wrapped in this gorgeous ribbon as well. Just beautiful. Love the white ribbon because we can use our blends on this. Absolutely stunning. Thank you for that, Gloria, my darling. Oh, look. More of these beautiful tea bag cards. And it's sealed and they are left blank. So sorry about the glare. I'm trying not to get them, but just look at them. Each one is perfection. The tips are so pointed and the papers are so together, it's unreal. Your folding skills are outstanding, my darling. Look at these on the corners. Oh my word. Just stunning. Beautiful little rosette. And this one says happy birthday. Absolutely stunning. Really pretty cards. Oh my word. Look how beautiful that is. Gloria, these are stunning, my darling. I'm loving this background paper. Very pretty. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my word, look at this. Absolutely stunning. These are fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. I've got another 5 here. Oh my gosh, you want to see? These are beautiful. All done with scraps of paper. Absolutely stunning. I love it. Look at the butterfly. Oh, is it open? Yay! My favourite. Butterflies. Sloths and butterflies. Oh, I love any animal, but Gloria's popped a little ticket on the back as well. These are stunning, my darling. Absolutely stunning. I'm going to leave that out actually now. These are just wonderful. Oh, look, another one. Oh, slightly wider strips of designer series paper now. But look, we don't have to let anything go to waste. Look how small these strips are. Just perfect. Absolutely stunning. Wow, Gloria, these are beautiful. Absolutely stunning. I love these butterflies. Oh my gosh, I think they're hunky-dory ones. Just stunning. Absolutely wonderful. And we've got another one. Oh, I love it. Your butterflies match these papers beautifully. Just outstanding. And we've got another one here. Look how cute this one is. Oh my gosh, look at that little little skunk. Look at the hedgehogs and the mouse. These are so sweet, my darling. Absolutely stunning. I love them. Love, love, love. Now they're all the square ones. I'm going to pop them together. And I'm going to keep this one out on top because I want to take a nice photograph of these. Absolutely stunning. Stunning cards. Out of this world. Thank you, Gloria, my darling. You are an angel. Now we've got... Oops. That was a little bit bent over. And this one's been left open so we can have a look at this one. Oh, I will straighten that, my darling, don't you worry. Gloria J. My word, look at that. Absolutely stunning. I'm loving this silver. And the green. Oh, it's just beautiful. Look at the detail in that die. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. And some pattern paper. Oh, Gloria, I love this punch. Look at that detail there. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely stunning. Absolutely precious. Oh my word. These are fantastic. Oh my gosh. I'm going to pop that there. And we've got one in red. Oh my word. And this has got gold. It's just beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Oh my word. Look at that swallow. Either swallow or swift. I'm not that good with birds. Gloria, these are beautiful. Look at this little tiny little dragonfly. These are amazing cards, my darling. Wow. Oh, this one's open too. Oh, wow. Just gorgeous. How beautiful is that? These are stunning. Oh my word. Oh my gosh, look at all these punches you've got. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love that. We've got two of the swallow. We've got two of the peacock. And we've got one here. Oh my word. This one's open as well. Look at those beautiful birds. Absolutely stunning. What a beautiful set of cards. Absolutely stunning. These are breathtaking, my darling. These are outstanding. Just pop them together. Need them so I can see them. Just fabulous. Oh my word. Look, we got more. Let's have a look. Handmade. Oh my word. Look at it. Beautiful. Marilyn Monroe. Decoupaged. Absolutely fabulous. Pure elegance. You're not wrong there, babe. These are beautiful. Oh my word, Gloria. These are fabulous, my darling. And another one. Iconic. Oh, I love it. Absolutely fabulous. Wow. These are brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Oh, look at that. Look at those. Look how slim that is. Oh my gosh, I wish I was that slim. I've been that slim since I was 12 years old. They're fabulous. Oh, I love it. Hollywood. These are brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Fabulous, fabulous card. That was quite deceptive actually, because the top card is nothing to do with the other stuff. Very good how you've done this. Love this paper. Just gorgeous. Oh, I love this little love heart. Look at that. With love. These are fantastic. I just love them, my darling. Absolutely fabulous. And we have another set. And I think these are going to be a bit like these. So I just had a sneaky peek. Oh, wow. You're fabulous. Look at that, darling. She was an icon and still is to this day. A beautiful, beautiful woman. I love it. Look at this. Adorable. These are fantastic. I love them, Gloria. Absolutely beautiful, my darling. You're spoiling us with all these gorgeous cards. Oh, the iconic dress. Look at that. Poop, poopy doop. Oh, that's is that Betty Boo? I'm terrible. Absolutely terrible. And we have another one. That one says you're a star, and this one says with love. Absolutely fabulous cards. Wow. And then we've got another one of these on top. Very deceptive, Gloria. Very deceptive indeed, but very beautiful. Hunky Dory do some wonderful, wonderful toppers. And they're just fabulous. Look at that. Just gorgeous. That is 25 wonderful cards by the gorgeous Gloria, who I adore so much. She's absolute superstar when it comes to challenges. She always constantly sends, bless her soul. I'm going to seal each one of these up now. Keep them in their packets. These are brilliant, Gloria. I can't thank you enough, my darling. Can everybody else please thank Gloria for me as well? She is an absolute trooper when it comes to sending cards in for wonderful causes. And thank you for my little gifts, my darling. They're brilliant. I'm going to keep her out as well so I can photograph her as well. These are just fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. Wow. Marilyn Monroe. What a shame she had to pass away. What a lovely, lovely girl. I loved watching the movie all about Norma Jean Kay and her rise to stardom. Just brilliant. Absolutely love that film. Has anyone seen any good children's films lately? Because I'm not getting fed up of watching Coke go over and over and over, but I love it, and I want to watch another kids' film. I love them. Love it. These are beautiful, my darling. I can't thank you enough for all these wonderful cards. Just spectacular. Fabulosus. These are brilliant. Look how snazzy she looks. Don't know if it's a dress or a trouser suit. It looks like a trouser suit. But she is and always will be an icon. Absolutely brilliant. Right, if you want more details for this challenge, if you go to the blog, www.stampwithjoy.co.uk, on the right hand side you'll see the title in blue. Somebody messaged me and asked my full address because they could only see half of it. If you press the blue title, it will open up a huge page and have all the details on there. Addresses, what it involves, where to send them to, all the rules of joining in, and yeah, it's not just that little snippet in the corner. It's there's a whole page on it, but you have to click on the blue title for it to open up another page. So you can see all the details. These are outstanding. I'm going to keep that one out as well, and the butterfly one. This is going to be my photograph. on the thumbnail for Gloria's cards. This one, and this one. And I will try and squeeze them on so we get to see all three of them. How's that? Keep that envelope separately. But they're amazing. So yeah, if you enjoyed, a thumbs up would be great. A share would be amazing. And I would really appreciate it if you'd press this button down here that says subscribe. And we're only a few away now from 7,000 subscribers. I think that's amazing. And I think slow and steady wins the race at the end of the day. We will get there. More people that click the subscribe button is absolutely fabulous with me. Just proves that you're enjoying my channel, which I hope you all are. And that you like to see what is being produced, because it's not just my cards that you all come to see, it's all these wonderful entries into these challenges as well, and I think they're superb. We have had the most amazing responses, and I just can't thank everybody enough. You're just all so kind, wonderful and caring. I love the comments that everybody leaves for everybody else. I just think it's outstanding. What a fabulous community to be in. I mean, people say, oh, have you ever seen this on Facebook? Have you seen that on... I actually don't troll Facebook for comments. I just go straight into my little group, open it up. I comment on all the cards that people have done for the challenges. I don't sit and look through anybody's business, because that's just their business. It's their choice if they want to put it on Facebook. But I'm not one of these that goes and looks for gossip, if you know what I mean. I just love to share all the cards and everything. So, oops, that's the wrong way round. Again, and get into action. So yes, and if you want to see what I make tomorrow, or you want to see the rest of the challenges, if you press the little bell, you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So I'm going to love and leave you all and go and find a project to do for tonight. Love you all. Bye.